Welcome back, everyone. You are enjoying another episode of Fast Facts Pharmacology Edition, brought to you by a Tale of Two Hygienists in partnership with Elevate Oral Care. And now, please welcome your host, Tom Viola.
Hi, I'm Tom Viola, a certified pharmacist, dental educator, and author. Stick with me, and I promise to make the next few minutes the best pharmacology learning experience you've ever had. Hi, everybody. Tom Viola with Pharmacology Declassified with yet another Fast Facts Pharmacology Edition. Pharmacology? Well, not this one. This one's anything but pharmacology, and I'm all happy about it. This is one of those episodes where I get to talk about my good friends at Elevate Oral Care and the amazing products they sell. This one's about tongue cleaning, though. Can you believe it? Something so simple and so easy, and yet so easy to overlook. And really, it should be a part of our daily hygiene. This is where pharmacology basically gives way to good old, brute strength, okay? Get back there with the tongue cleaner and do a good physical debridement of the bacteria that lurk back there. And then things like rinses that help remove bacteria, whatever's left over, can do a better job. What I learned from my friends at Elevate and what I've seen often is the Oreo challenge, which is, you eat an Oreo cookie for lunch, you go about your day, you go home, you brush your teeth, and then after that, you use a tongue cleaner, and after all that, there's still Oreo left on your tongue. Ew. So I guess the one thing that's more disgusting about than cleaning your tongue is not cleaning your tongue, right? And if you're plagued by halitosis or bad breath, this is one of the best ways to eliminate the issue. Bad breath is really caused by postnasal drip on the posterior portion of your tongue. And this area cannot be cleaned with a normal toothbrush. The profile of the brush is just too tall, and it hits the roof of your mouth, and it really just kind of moves around but doesn't remove the debris. So tongue cleaning reaches this area because basically tongue cleaners have a very low profile design. The bacteria that live on that area of your tongue eat the foods that you eat and other things and produce, VSCs, volatile sulfur compounds. And that's what causes oral malodor or bad breath. Mouth rinses really just mask the issue. Some of them reduce some bacteria, but not mass elimination of bacteria like tongue cleaning does. The tongue has basically many papillae, and they tend to trap food. So it's kind of like a shag rug holding, dirt in it. You can, push it around with a brush or a broom, but to really get the dirt out of that shag rug, you need to vacuum. So think of your tongue cleaner as a vacuum for your tongue. And of course, there are numerous tongue cleaners on the market. Some are plastic, some are disposable, and some are metal that last a lifetime. And figure out whichever one works better for you. But there are certain things you need to avoid with tongue cleaners. One of them is a two-handed model, for example, that requires you to fold them in half. That's not really going to be feasible long-term. Plastic cleaners that have been molded usually have sharp edges that can hurt your tongue, right? And remember that we want low profile. Okay, we don't want tall cleaning devices because if the profile is not low, it's just going to hit the back of the roof of your mouth and not going to get to the back areas of your tongue. And if you can't get back there, you can't clean out the part that putrefies back there. So, tongue cleaning, my friends. Not pharmacology, but definitely something that we need to keep in mind every day. And again, thanks to my good friends at Elevate Oral Care for keeping that at the forefront of my mind. But until the next time, my friends, this is Tom Viola saying, as always, have a good day every day and be well. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to hear more from me, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or visit my website at www.tomviola.com.
Thank you for listening to another episode of Fast Facts Pharmacology Edition, brought to you in part by Elevate Oral Care, creators of the innovative and proven prevention-focused oral care products from Advantage Arrest Silver Diamine Fluoride to Fluoramax Sodium Fluoride Varnish. Learn more by visiting www.elevateoralcare.com and schedule your free CE staff meeting today. We'll see you next time for another Fast Fact.